Hello, I'm Jyoti Sharma and you're watching Agribusiness News powered by FTB Organic. Let's start with the latest agribusiness updates. BSF Digital Farming and PESIL Instruments has signed an agreement to collaborate globally on R&D activities to improve pest management in fruits and vegetables and thus boost the production. BSF Digital Farming and PESIL Instrument expect the pest recognition and monitoring services for grapes and pone fruit. The service will be available from 2022. CSE Agriculture platform was launched yesterday through a live program at 11 am on CSE Facebook page. The team speaker were Dr. Dinesh Tyagi, MD CSE SPV, Mr. Sanjay Kumar Rakesh, CEO CSE SPV and Mr. MC Dominic, Editor-in-Chief Krishi Jagran and Agriculture World. In an interaction with Krishi Jagran, Mr. Sanjay Kumar Rakesh, CEO of CSE said,
CSE has been working with the farmers for several years on different aspects. So now CSE has decided to work with the farmer in a comprehensive manner and provide them an end-to-end facility for cheaper and quality inputs and better realization of their outputs. And in that way, we'll try to improve the life and living condition of the farmers in the rural area. With this in aim, it has started an initiative to start at least 6,000 farmer producers organization in the country, which would be connected through a central platform of CSE and provide all the services to the farmers which may be needed by them for an efficient and profitable agriculture. Through this platform and with our intervention through our village level entrepreneurs in the field, farmers will be given the facility to buy their inputs, including fertilizer, pesticides, and other inputs at cheaper price and a better quality product. They will also be facilitated for managing their farm machinery, getting the loans from the formal sector if they want, and for selling their produce in different markets of the country at a profitable price.
UPL Limited announced the scaling up of its Pro Nitva Sada Samruddh groundnut program in Gujarat. The program aims to increase the productivity and enhance the quality of groundnut crop by applying sustainable agronomy practices including proper training, technology intervention and farm mechanization. Ashish Dobal, Regional Head of India, UPL Limited said, UPL has always endeavored to holistically and sustainably improve each crop and this program has done just that. The result of our groundnut program in Gujarat have been great not only because of the increased yield but also because of the reduction in cost for the farmers, proving to be extremely beneficial. The Department of Agriculture, Corporation and Farmers Welfare has released the third advanced estimates of production of major agriculture crops for 2020-2021. The total food grain production is estimated at 305.44 million tons. Bayer CropScience reported doubling of its profit to Rs 61.9 crore for the March 2021 quarter. The company profit has stood at Rs 31.5 crore during the corresponding quarter of 2019 to 2020. Its revenue from operation during January-March 2021 jumped 59.95% to Rs 733.7 crore compared with the Rs 458.7 crore in the year-ago period. Zuari Agrochemicals witnessed Rs 2.5 crore loss due to cyclone Taukte impact on its Goa plant. Zuari Agro said, "We would like to inform you that the damage caused by the cyclone Taukte to the fertilizer plant at Goa including loss due to material lost in approx Rs 2.5 crore only." As part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, MOFPI IIFPT announced the One District One Product webinar on onion processing and value addition on 11 June 2021. India's fastest growing tractor brand, Sonalika has pledged to extend vital support to the ongoing relief effort at the St. Stephen Hospital Patient Welfare Society, New Delhi. Raman Mittal, Executive Director, Sonalika Tractors said, "Difficult times demand collaborative and extraordinary effort from all. There is a pressing need to step up the relief effort and support the healthcare system to save everyone possible during these challenging times." Vipin Saini, Associate Editor of Krishi Jagran, will do a live interaction with Bhagirath Chaudhary, Founder and Director of South Asia Biotechnology Center, in our program Voice of Basai by Krishi Jagran on May 28, 6 p.m. on Krishi Jagran Facebook page. The theme will be Unblocking Opportunity for the High Quality Spices of Western Dry Region. For more Agri updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran. Thank you.